Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 105, Out and In. This is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles that I've been uploading. Thank you for the great feedback you've been giving me. Good luck with this one and let's see how you go. Something is thrown out when it is being used. The same thing is retrieved when it is no longer in use. What is it? A clue will be given on the next slide. So please spend a couple of minutes thinking about this if you need that long, and in 2 minutes' time I will give you a clue on the next slide if you need it. So please persist with it because it's very satisfying when you solve it. Okay, I wonder how you went with that one. Congratulations if you've solved it. Here is the clue that I promised you if you need it. Something is thrown out when it is being used. The same thing is retrieved when it is no longer in use. What is it? And the clue is water. The answer is on the next slide, and I'll give you the answer in 1 minute. So please try and solve it. That clue just might help you, and you'll have the answer in 1 minute's time. Okay, I wonder how you went with that one. I hope you got that, and if you did, congratulations. Let's have a look at the answer. Something is thrown out when it is being used. The same thing is retrieved when it is no longer in use. What is it? And the answer, an anchor. So now you can see why the clue was water. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll be uploading more of these in the coming days. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.